This is the story of Koko, a tiny lovebird who had a rough start in life. Koko was just 3 days old when I first saw her. Her parents, sadly, were not very kind to her. They often hurt her, and it broke my heart to see such a small creature suffering. So I decided to take Koko in and raise her myself. At first, Koko was so fragile and helpless. I fed her every few hours, kept her warm, and talked to her softly to make her feel safe. Watching her grow day by day was a miracle. During her early days with me, something special happened. A baby Cockatiel also joined our little family. The two of them grew up together, sharing meals, warmth, and lots of playful moments. They would cuddle side by side and sometimes even feed each other. It was beautiful to see how they bonded like siblings. As Koko grew, she started showing her playful and loving nature. She would chirp happily whenever she saw me, and sometimes she even tried to mimic my voice. Her tiny wings grew stronger, and soon she was flying around the room with so much energy and joy. Raising Koko wasn't always easy. There were sleepless nights and moments of worry, but the bond we created was unbreakable. She became more than just a pet. She became family. Towards the end of this video, you'll see a picture of Koko's parents, a reminder of where she came from and how far she has come. Koko's journey shows that with love and care, even the smallest and weakest can find happiness and strength. Thank you for watching Koko's story. May it remind you of the power of kindness and the joy of giving a second chance.